Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We have another unboxing. Fairyloot. I'm so excited. I kind of know what's in here. I don't know if I forget everything. I'm a very forgetful person sometimes. Sometimes I buy like multiple books and the same ones. Anyway, beside the point. I'm really excited, so let's get it started. I think this is the May. Here's a little snake. Yes, May. Desert Dreams. With a little spoiler card. Put this aside for now. Alright. Oh, not that many squiggly things. That's good. They get everywhere. Alright, so this is from We Hunt the Flame. It's a little tin. It's really pretty. I like it. It says, we hunt the flame, the light, and the darkness, the good this world deserves. And then you can open it this way. Pretty. I quite like that. It's really pretty. I'm excited. All right, let's move on. We have a wooden spoon. There's no such thing as just a story. Alwyn Hamilton, maybe? These things are so pretty that I just don't want to use them. Whoa. Moon there. Castle and a horse. And this is really pretty. I really like that. Since a little bit of a kitchen theme. A little bit. All right. We have
it's upside down.
Often I can't even read it sideways. Mightiest things have the
humblest.
Wow, I can't read today either. Humblest beginnings. S-H. Oh, Chakraborty? Maybe? That's a cute little towel tapestry thing. I'm assuming it's meant to be like a towel for the kitchen, but I wouldn't use it for that. It's too pretty. I like that. Oh, and we have a candle. Tribal Desert, inspired by an ember in the ashes, by, is it Sabatiyar? Tahar?
Sabatahir.
Tahir. I'll get it eventually. That's what it looks like there. I smell vanilla. And some type of floral, but it's not like an overpowering floral, which is nice. It smells really good. Wiccan Fable made this. I have a lot of candles now. I'm really excited. So that's nice. Then we have bath salts. Sandalwood scent, magic desert sand, triple blend, luxury bath salt, relaxing and soothing. Looks like sand. There's the front of it. I guess you could put bath salts in that little tub if I wanted. Sandalwood just makes me think of Alec and Magnus from Shadowhunters, because That's what they use to clean themselves. I just read it last night. I can see Magnus. All right, and then next, a pouch. Move your glasses. You can't choose what happens to you, but you can choose who you become because of it. The Forbidden Wish. Jessica, I'm gonna butcher it. Corey?
Sure.
This is cute. I like that. It'd be good to put in my purse, like if I'm walking and I want my sunglasses on. But if we need to go inside somewhere.
Or on days where you're like, where are my glasses? I can't find them. Where did I put them?
Yeah, I do that all the time. I always lose my glasses. This is cute. I like that. Alright, then we have our tarot cards. The 3 of Cups and the 4 of Cups.
So looks like Rowan and Aelin.
It's a bird!
It's a plane.
And then the last thing is the book. So before we get to the book, let's go to the spoiler card here. So the bookish 10 is designed by Chatty Nora, and it's We Hunt the Flame. I'm going to totally butcher the name. I apologize. Fazil? Yeah, I'm going to totally do it. The bookish wooden spoon is engraved by Katie Pletters, and it's a quote from Hero of the Fall by Alwyn Hamilton. Tea Towel Collection. City of Brass essay. Chakraborty. I really don't know how to pronounce his last names. Was it close?
No.
Okay. And then you have the Desert Bath Salts, made by Little Hearts Gifts. Then you have the Tribal Desert Candle and Burn the Ashes. Wick and Fable. Sunglass Pouch, The Forbidden Wish by Jessica Cowrie, designed by Kitster Kronk. And then Tarot Cards, 3 and 4 of Cups, designed by Gabrielle Bajudo. So, sorry. Inspired by Throne of Glass series, Sarah J. Maas. And then the book. I see sprayed edges. Is that how it always is? Fairy Scoop. Next month's theme. Different kind of magic. Interview with the author. Art print. So pretty. With the letter from the author on the other side. That's what it looks like. It's a snake. And it is Girl Serpent Thorn. It's a pretty cover. The other cover, the standard edition, is a beige cover. So this one's better. Then of course some pretty like bluish edges. And then just the naked book there, and it should be signed, right? Yep, that it is. Then we do have a reversible jacket.
That's gorgeous.
It really is. Like I like the cover, but I think I'd flip it.
Put it on your wall.
That's true too. But then this would stay naked.
It's a sacrifice.
What sacrifice should I do? Should I put it on my wall or should I keep it on the book? What do you do with these things? I mean, if I got 2 copies, then it wouldn't matter. But, you know, they're very pretty. I like the artwork. About a princess cursed to be poisonous to the touch. So she's been hidden away from everyone apart from her family. As the day approaches of her twin brother's wedding, Soraya must decide if she's willing to step outside of the shadows for the first time. Below in the dungeon is a demon who holds knowledge that she craves, the answer to her freedom. And above is a young man who isn't afraid of her, whose eyes linger not with fear, but with an understanding of who she is beneath the poison. So Soraya thought she knew her place in the world, but when her choices lead to consequences she never imagined, she begins to question who she is and who she is becoming, human or demon, princess or monster. Dun dun dun. Sounds really good, actually. I really like this. It's pretty. I like the edges. Pretty good box. Good job, Fairyloot. Let's see. I think favorite item. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But I think it's my favorite. Still don't know what I'm going to do with it. But that's okay. That would be my favorite. And I think the little tea towel that's not going to be a tea towel. It's just going to hang on my wall. Those are my 2 favorites. What was your guys' favorite item? Did you have a least favorite item? What are you going to do? What would you do with the cover? A girl needs to know. Because I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, because I could buy a second book. But then you have like a naked book with nothing on it. I don't know. We shall see. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. And like as well. And comment below as always. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.